India, a land of vibrant cultures, ancient history and breathtaking landscapes. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, every corner of this vast country tells a story. But today, we venture beyond the well-trodden paths to uncover a hidden gem. Hidden within the heart of this incredible country, nestled in the state of Madhya Pradesh, lies the town of Lahar. This quaint town, often overshadowed by its more famous neighbours, holds secrets that few have discovered. With a population of just over 40,000, Lahar remains a relatively unknown destination. Its narrow streets and modest homes paint a picture of simplicity, yet there's an undeniable charm that captivates those who visit. But don't let its size fool you. This unassuming town holds a captivating blend of history, nature, and legend, waiting to be explored. From ancient temples that whisper tales of yore to lush landscapes that soothe the soul, Lahar is a treasure trove of experiences. Lahar offers a glimpse into a different pace of life. It's a place where time seems to move a little slower. Here, the hustle and bustle of modern life give way to a serene and tranquil existence where the simple joys of life are cherished. The town is steeped in tradition. Its streets are alive with the sights and sounds of rural India. From the vibrant markets where locals barter for fresh produce to the colourful festivals that light up the town, Lahar is a celebration of Indian culture in its purest form. Yet, beneath its unassuming exterior lies a story that stretches back centuries. The ancient ruins and historical landmarks stand as silent witnesses to the town's rich past. This is a story interwoven with ancient epics and whispered legends. The tales of valor, love, and sacrifice are passed down through generations, keeping the spirit of the past alive. Come with me as we journey to Lahar. Together we'll walk its quiet streets, meet its warm-hearted residents, and uncover the stories that make this town so special. We'll uncover its hidden treasures. From the ancient temples that stand as a testament to the town's spiritual heritage, to the unexplored historical sites that hold secrets of the past, we'll discover its connection to one of India's greatest epics, the Mahabharata. The legends and stories that are intricately woven into the fabric of this town will leave you in awe. And we'll explore the unique natural beauty of this often overlooked corner of Madhya Pradesh. The lush landscapes, rolling hills, and serene environment make Lahar a perfect escape from the chaos of city life. Lahar's history is deeply intertwined with the epic Mahabharata, one of the greatest stories ever told in Indian mythology. This ancient Indian epic tells the tale of a dynastic struggle between two groups of cousins, the Kauravas and the Pandavas. Their conflict, filled with intrigue, valor, and divine interventions, has shaped the cultural and historical landscape of India for millennia. Legend has it that Lahar was once the site of Lakshagriha, a palace cunningly constructed of lac, a highly flammable material. This palace was not just an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of treachery and deceit. This palace was built by the Kauravas with the intent to trap and burn the Pandavas alive. The sinister plot was a pivotal moment in the Mahabharata, showcasing the lengths to which the Kauravas would go to eliminate their rivals. The story of the Lakshagriha is a tale of betrayal, escape, and survival. It is a dramatic episode that highlights the cunning and resilience of the Pandavas, who managed to outwit their adversaries. The Pandavas, forewarned of the plot, managed to escape the inferno through a secret tunnel. This tunnel, a hidden passageway beneath the palace, was their lifeline, leading them to safety and allowing them to continue their quest for justice. This tale of the Pandavas' escape from Lakshagriha is a testament to their resilience and resourcefulness. It is a story that has been passed down through generations, inspiring countless retellings and adaptations. It is a story that has resonated through generations in India. Elders recount the tale to their children, ensuring that the lessons of bravery, wisdom, and perseverance are never forgotten. While the exact location of Lakshagriha remains a subject of debate, Lahar's claim to this legendary site adds a layer of mystique to the town's identity. The ruins and ancient sites around Lahar continue to attract historians and tourists alike, all eager to uncover the secrets of this storied place. It serves as a tangible link to India's rich epic traditions. The town's connection to the Mahabharata provides a unique cultural heritage that is celebrated and preserved by its inhabitants. The echoes of this ancient tale continue to reverberate through Lahar's streets and alleyways, adding a sense of history and intrigue to this quaint town. Every corner of Lahar whispers stories of the past, making it a living museum of India's epic history. Moving beyond its legendary past, Lahar is also a place of stark natural beauty. Located in a semi-arid region, the landscape surrounding Lahar is characterized by dry, scrubland vegetation and scattered woodlands. This may seem harsh to some, but within this arid environment lies a unique and captivating ecosystem. The land here is resilient, it thrives under the intense sun. The trees, often thorny and gnarled, have adapted to survive with minimal rainfall. They provide vital shade for the animals that call this region home. The ground, often parched and cracked during the dry season, bursts into life with vibrant wildflowers with the arrival of the monsoon. Despite the challenging environment, Lahar and its surrounding areas are teeming with life. The semi-arid landscape, though harsh and unforgiving, supports a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. This region is home to a variety of creatures, each uniquely adapted to survive in this semi-arid landscape, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Every species plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Keep your eyes peeled and you might be lucky enough to spot some of these fascinating creatures. Wildlife enthusiasts and researchers often visit Lahar to study and appreciate its unique biodiversity. Blackbuck, a type of antelope known for their striking black and white markings, can be found grazing on the sparse vegetation. These elegant animals are not just a sight to behold, but also an integral part of the ecosystem. These graceful creatures are a common sight in the area. Their presence is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of wildlife in Lahar. You might also encounter nilgai, the largest Asian antelope, browsing on leaves and shrubs. These majestic animals are known for their impressive size and gentle demeanor. Birdwatchers will delight in the variety of avian species that call this region home, from raptors soaring high above to colorful bee-eaters perched on branches. The skies of Lahar are always alive with the vibrant activity of these feathered inhabitants. The resilience of life in this environment is truly remarkable. Despite the scarcity of water and the extreme temperatures, the wildlife here has adapted in extraordinary ways to thrive. Lahar offers a unique opportunity to witness the delicate balance of nature in a semi-arid landscape. The interplay between the various species and their environment is a fascinating study of survival and coexistence. It's a reminder that beauty can be found even in the most unexpected of places. The stark, rugged beauty of Lahar's landscape is a testament to the enduring power of nature. Beyond Lahar, treasures waiting to be discovered. Lahar is not just a destination in itself, it serves as a gateway to other captivating attractions in the region. Within a short distance from the town lie historical monuments, religious sites, and a haven for wildlife, each offering a unique glimpse into the diverse tapestry of Madhya Pradesh. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a spiritual seeker, or a nature lover, these nearby attractions have something to offer everyone. They beckon you to venture beyond Lahar and delve deeper into the cultural and natural richness of this part of India. Let's embark on a journey to these nearby treasures, each with its own story to tell. The country of Malhar Rao Holkar, a monument to valor. Just a short drive from Lahar stands the majestic Chhatri of Malhar Rao Holkar, a magnificent cenotaph built in honor of the renowned Maratha general. This imposing structure, with its intricate carvings and soaring dome, stands as a testament to the valor and military prowess of Malhar Rao Holkar, a key figure in the Maratha Empire. The Chhatri is a masterpiece of Rajput architecture. Its walls are adorned with intricate carvings depicting scenes from Hindu mythology and the life of Malhar Rao Holkar. The dome, visible from miles around, is a symbol of the general's enduring legacy. As you explore this architectural marvel, you can almost hear the echoes of history whispering through the corridors of time. Spiritual sojourn, Sri Rawatpura Dham and the Fort of Ater. For those seeking spiritual solace, a visit to Sri Rawatpura Dham, a revered pilgrimage site located near Lahar, is a must. This holy site, dedicated to Lord Rama, is believed to be the birthplace of the revered saint, Sri Rawatpura Sarkar. The temple complex is a haven of peace and tranquility, offering respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Not far from Sri Rawatpura Dham lies the Fort of Ater, a historical fortress perched atop a hill. This fort, with its commanding views of the surrounding landscape, has witnessed the ebb and flow of history. It stands as a silent sentinel, guarding the secrets of a bygone era. Lahar, a tapestry of time, nature, and culture. Lahar, with its ancient legends, unique natural beauty, and proximity to captivating attractions, offers a truly enriching experience. It's a place where you can step back in time, connect with nature, and immerse yourself in the local culture. As you wander through Lahar's streets, you'll encounter the warmth and hospitality of its people. You'll witness the rhythms of rural life unchanged for generations. And you'll leave with a deeper appreciation for the hidden gems that lie scattered across the vast canvas of India. Lahar may be a small town, but its heart beats with the spirit of India's rich heritage and natural wonders. It's a reminder that the most rewarding journeys often lead to the most unexpected of destinations. So come, explore Lahar and discover the magic that awaits you in this hidden gem of Madhya Pradesh.